How to convert 2500 microgram to milligram? We'll use this conversion equation. 1 milligram equal to 1000 microgram. So how to do that? Microgram, to cancel this microgram part of this equation will be denominator, so that I can cancel. This part will be numerator. So this 1000 milligram, cancel that 0, that 0, that 0, that 0. So we are getting this 75 divided by 10 milligram. 10 to the power 1 means 10, the 10 to the power 2 means 100. So 10 is a power of 10. Okay. So in this case, just count the number of 0 and move the decimal from right to left equal to that number of zeros. So since this is whole number, decimal point will appear here one place, as we have 1 0. So we are getting 2.5 milligram. So this is the answer.